Guess what, YouTube? I'm satisfied, YouTube, YouTube. You working on an LS swap? Do you have the intentions on doing an LS swap? Let me show you something real quick. LS3 swap, 72 convertible Impala. We show you how to do this, YouTube, from the ground up, man. Every step of the way, YouTube. Watch how quick this car crank up. I want to help make your LS swap crank up as quick as mine does. Every time you hit that switch, YouTube, I got something that I need to share with you, YouTube. This gonna make sure that happens. I just can't believe hardly nobody else is doing what I'm about to share with y'all, YouTube. But I'm gonna put it out there. I'm also gonna share with you a few other things that's gonna help to make sure your LS swap cranks up every time you hit that switch. But I'm gonna say the best for last. So you gotta stick with me, YouTube. Make sure y'all pay attention. Make sure you watch this video all the way through, YouTube. I don't want you to miss nothing. I wanna make sure that you get everything that I got. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell, YouTube. That way you see the videos when we post them. Let Chevys Are Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We stick together. We uplift one another. We support one another. This a family thing, YouTube. Chevys Are Us. Let's get it.